Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 11 Pro and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number by using your contacts, so you will be able to block a number which you've got currently saved, or by using the settings, kind of. Of course, I'll show you both options. And the second way allows you to enter the number manually. Whatever, I will explain everything. So let's start with the contacts. Let's enter your contact list, find the number, and tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on block numbers. And as you can see, your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. So just tap on block. And as you can see, you've got this characteristic icon. It is notified that this number is blocked, so of course you will not receive the text and the calls. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, right here, but let's leave it like this. We'll check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So the second way is by using, as I said, the settings. So first of all, it doesn't really matter if we will be on the contacts, recents, or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Now we have to tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see right here, we've got our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from the contacts, so everything went fine. And I told you also that here you can enter the number manually, so you can, for example, copy it and paste it, because after tapping on the number you can enter it here. So as I said, you can paste it here or simply enter it just like that and tap on block, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on the block list. Yes. What's more, we've got the option unknown, and after activating it just by tapping on the switcher, your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. Of course, it's up to you if you want to use it. If you want to unblock the number, just tap on those X button right next to it. So basically that's all. This is how to block a number, block a number or block a contact in your Redmi Note 11 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.